Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to restore deleted voice recording on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, so just swipe up, you will see. So just click on voice recording. So if you want to recover deleted voice recording, so click on this three lines icon. Now you will see click on recycle bin. Now you will see deleted recording is showing here, so click on this three dot icon and click on so just recycle and click on this edit icon and click on all and click on restore all. So after the process you will see recording is restored. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can restore the deleted voice recording on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.